Hello, bright, beautiful, beloved soul friends. Welcome to another Conversations with Kristin, that beautiful time of your day where you explore the unconscious mind from the inside out. Welcome to part 2 of understanding the human experience from the inside out, exploring inner realities through the pyramid of personhood. This matches a free gift I have for you beloved soul friends. You can grab that anytime at kristinwindsor.com/gifts. And that link is also here in the video description below. Part 2. Consciousness and neurobiology within humankind are two entirely different, distinct, and independent features of the human experience. Neurobiology is the physical brain-body vessel, while consciousness is the energy of self-essence, who personally experiences life. While they symbiotically interact with one another, they are two separate energetic entities. Without neurobiological miracles, consciousness would have no vessel through which to encounter, explore, and experience life as a human being. Neurobiology without consciousness would possess no self to directly engage with personal experience. While neurobiology provides modalities for experience, consciousness is the self-experiencer. And then you've got this little side note. Neurobiology is affiliated with abstract experience through specific brain-body processes, while consciousness is interlaced with particular experience through abstract energetic essence. Neurobiology affiliated with abstract experience through specific brain-body processes, while consciousness is interlaced with particular experience, the opposite of this, abstract experience, particular experience, through abstract energetic essence, which is the opposite of this, specific brain-body processes, abstract energetic essence. So it's two separate features of the human experience that are constantly interacting with one another. And then a couple little images, little diagram here. Neurobiology is the processor of experience. It is, pronoun-wise. Consciousness is the self as experiencer. I am. Neurobiology processes experience. Consciousness is the self as the experiencer. Neurobiology, it is. Consciousness, I am. And this other little nifty little magical diagram over here. Neurobiology provides tools for awareness and a house for self-essence, while consciousness possesses capacities for self-awareness and comprises self-essence. Okay? Just a couple little pictures to kind of help make sense of these concepts. Neurobiological applications refer to the multitude of miracles within each brain-body system that provide modalities through which life may be engaged, interacted with, and experienced. They translate and process various data, yet are not independently capable of personal experience. The brain, for example, provides tools to interact with life, yet does not directly encounter that interaction. Human consciousness is the energetic life force of the human spirit, the personal self having or directly encountering life experience. When someone says, I am, who is saying I, and how is it being said? The ability to speak and interpret the meaning of the word I stem from neurobiology. Consciousness is the abstract, energetic meaning regarding who I is. While I is being spoken through neurobiology, only consciousness is directly experiencing the self of I. Neurobiology provides the tools to support and enable awareness, yet only consciousness possesses the capacity to first-handedly experience self-awareness. When someone touches their face, go ahead and touch your face, soul friends. Partake in this little consciousness neurobiology experiment with me, if you will. All right, go ahead and touch your face and explore this idea, okay? When someone touches their face, neurobiology engages as fingertip moves through time and space with help from complex miracles such as self-orientation to reach their cheek. This skin-on-skin contact then rapidly translates energetic signals through the brain-body systems. Simultaneously, consciousness directly interacts with this personal experience. Fingertip and face transmute signals that generate sensations, but only the self-essence of I am consciousness personally experiences this moment. The brain and body provide necessary techniques to translate experiential data, while consciousness comprises the I am self-essence who first-handedly feels the experience. Neurobiology hosts the self-essence and generously supplies resources and modalities to engage with life. As a distinctly separate essence, consciousness comprises the personal energy of self who directly encounters uniquely individualized moments of life experience. Neurobiology is affiliated with abstract experience through specific brain-body processes, while consciousness is interlaced with particular experience through abstract energetic essence. Experience is processed through and stored within neurobiology, and consciousness is the internal experiencer. Together, neurobiological applications and human consciousness symbiotically interact to create and experience personal life within humankind. In my personal research, I invested thousands of hours in self-hypnosis and hundreds of hours recording observations regarding my experiences. 2 years into this research, in November of 2019, I directly observed the distinct difference between energies of consciousness and energies of neurobiology. As the brain exerted itself, my own consciousness existed separately from it, able to differentiate itself and observe the internal operations without becoming them. Thanks so much for joining me for part 2 of understanding the human experience from the inside out, exploring inner realities through the pyramid of personhood. Stay tuned for part 3. And if you haven't already, go ahead and hop on over to kristinwindsor.com/gifts. I've got a variety of mega magics awaiting you and beloved soul friends, including this paper that I'm reading here, The Pyramid of Personhood, that you can see easily at a glimpse at a glance, and a variety of other healing journey resources to uplift and empower you while you move through your everyday healing journey of life. Thank you so much for being here, beloved soul friends, and thank you for being you. I will catch you in my next video. Have a beautiful, blessed, and glory-filled day.